Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to film a makeup tutorial today. Oh my god, shocker. I feel like it's been forever since I've done a makeup tutorial, but I wanted to do something super smoky. Yeah, I basically created this black smoky eye, but I wanted to add something on my lids, so I kind of went for this like wet, glazed kind of look. But there also is a giveaway at the end of this video, so you guys want to see what I'm giving away and all there was to enter and all that fun stuff. Make sure you guys just keep on watching till the end of the video. Before we get started, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, do all that down below. Thank you so much. If you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look right here, then make sure you guys just keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've already done one eye off camera. I've been so lazy to do my hair lately. This is what I've been doing. I just slick it back, put it in a bun, you feel me? Also, I got some new piercings. Hello, I got a cartilage and I got my second and third. I just remember when I didn't even have my first hole pierced, like yeah, well, here we are now. I got 5 piercings in a row, you guys. It was rough. It was rough. But I already went ahead and primed for my eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go into the Anastasia Prism eyeshadow palette right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade Eden, and I'm gonna mix it in with this color Saturn, and that's gonna be okay, anyways, that's gonna be my can't talk today. That's gonna be my transition color for this smoky eye. Your transition is like the most important part when it comes to doing a smoky eye, especially when you're working with blacks. I already went ahead and primed for my eyeshadow using my ColourPop concealer and the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just gonna go ahead and buff this in using a Morphe M518 brush. I'm so surprised I didn't pass out when I was getting my piercings. You guys, horrible, 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 horrible. The cartilage was like a pain. I know a lot of people say it doesn't hurt, but bitch, my pain tolerance is so low. Like, especially the way he did it. He used a needle. Oh god, just thinking about the needle, I swear to god it was like this thick. Like, no fucking joke. Well, that's what it was like in my head, you know? And the way he did it, it was just like just right in my ear, and I just, every time he did it 5 times in a row, I was like, I literally I like jumped out of my freaking seat. I was literally shaking in my motherfucking grave. Okay, it was horrible. Anyways, I know you guys are probably like, why are you using a coral shade for this transition? But using this kind of color is actually perfect when you're working with blacks, because when you apply the black, the way they kind of blend together, it creates more of like a taupey color, like you guys can kind of see over here, which is why I like using this kind of color when I'm doing a smoky eye with black. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start to flick this out. Don't worry about making this outer part too neat, because I am gonna go in with concealer and makeup remover and sharpen it up like I did over here. Okay, so once that is blended throughout the crease, I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade, which is called Parallel. It's like a deep espresso brown color. I'm gonna take that on a Morphe M433 brush, and this is gonna go right into my crease socket, and also focusing it right on this outer corner right here, because I do want to do kind of like a winged out smoky eye. See, it's already kind of starting to turn into more of a taupey color. Hacks Batoons. And now for the black, I'm gonna go in with the shade Obsidian. This isn't actually my favorite black ever. As you can tell, it's kind of like, I don't know, I don't really like this black that much, but it's the only one that's on this table right now, and I don't feel like getting up to go get another one, you feel me? But I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just gonna take this black color. Also, just be prepared for fallout, you guys. Black in general is gonna give you fallout no matter what. Like, when you're building it to get it as black as possible, you're gonna get fallout, but this palette in general gives me a little bit of extra fallout, you know? I'm gonna start off right here in this inner part of the crease, blowing that out. Oop, there's the fallout. Wow. Not even 2 seconds. That's okay though, we're gonna clean it up. Thank god I didn't do my face first, you guys. I've made this mistake in the past. I just want this to be as black as possible, so I'm gonna go over it a few times. And once you got on this outer corner here, just stamp it right in this little part of your eye, and then kind of go in circular motions to blend it up and out. And then I'm kind of flicking it up a little bit. Okay. Perfect! It's looking real messy, but it's okay. We're gonna save it in a minute, don't worry. And I'm also gonna take more of the black and start packing it on the lid. By applying the black on the lid, it's gonna make that lid shade pop even more. Now I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Shack T52 brush, spritz it. This is a very messy makeup look. Okay, let's just not mind it, all right? The process ain't cute, but it's gonna look cute after. Why am I always yelling in my videos? I feel like I'm always screaming. Anyways, I'm used to Dose of Colors Desi and Katie eyeshadow, little quad. Is that what this is called? A quad? Yeah. So I'm gonna take the shade, I think this is Harpoon or Turboson. I don't know if this is Harpoon or Turboson, but it's this one right here. It's really interesting. I've actually never seen an eyeshadow like this before. It's like a navy blue. It has so many different like glitters to it. It has like a little bit of silver, a little bit of purple, a little bit of blue. It has a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna pack this on the lid. It's also a really glittery eyeshadow color. But yeah, it's just gonna go all over the lid. The reason I love it so much is because it looks super wet and glazed. And by the way, I'm actually gonna be adding another shadow on top of this one to make it pop a little more, but this is my base. So now I'm gonna go back in with my Anastasia palette and take this silver shade. This is called Dimension, and it's actually really interesting. It has like purple iridescence to it, but I'm gonna pack that on top too. Then I'm actually gonna take some blue. Wow, so many different shades. This is the Natasha Denona Holiday #2 or eyeshadow palette 5. I don't know. What? It's the Holiday eyeshadow palette 5. I'm guessing there's like different versions. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna take this blue shade right here, and I'm only gonna take a little bit of that and just pack it over. I'm not going super crazy with this. I'm just kind of packing it on top. Okay guys, so I already went ahead and cleaned up the fallout, and I also went ahead and applied my lashes off camera. So these are the Lily lashes in the style Mykonos. I'm gonna go in with my foundation. Actually, I think I'm gonna spritz a little bit of Fix Plus on my skin just for a little extra hydration. Of foundation, I'm going in with my Giorgio Armani Power Fabric foundation. I'm just gonna dot this on. All right, cool. And then I'm just gonna blend it in using my Morphe sponge. I feel like it's been so long since I've done a makeup tutorial, you guys. Makeup tutorials were literally all I used to do, and I miss doing that. Let me know if you guys want me to do more makeup tutorials, because I will. YouTube has just changed a lot lately. I feel like makeup tutorials are like in the past, but I want to get back to my roots and start doing them more. That's why I fell in love with YouTube, you know? So now for concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. I'm also just gonna sharpen up this outer edge right here. Guess what, you guys? I'm actually pre-filming this week because I'm going to London and Paris this Thursday. Well, I might already be there. Actually, no, tomorrow. This video is going up on Wednesday, so I'm going tomorrow. And I'm going because my cousins actually live there, but they are moving. My cousins are literally all over the place, you guys. Prague, London, freaking Slovakia, everywhere. But yeah, they have a house over there, and they're moving, I think, sometime this summer. So we wanted to make a trip down there to see them. Plus, I love London. London is like one of my favorite places. Paris, we're going because it's really, really close to London. Obviously, I think it's like a 2-hour train ride. So I'm really excited. I'm going with my sister and to see my cousins, of course. Just get ready for my Instagram because it's gonna be a whole lot of fucking Paris pictures, okay? I feel like these next few months are gonna be crazy. It's already been crazy, you guys. I was just in LA, and then I went to Miami, and now I'm going to London and Paris. And then I'm going to a festival here in New York, and then it's gonna be my birthday. I think I'm going to Colombia this summer too, bitch. I feel so fucking blessed to be able to travel like this, especially at my age. Don't ever think I take this for granted, you guys. I feel so incredibly blessed. I don't want to come off ever as like braggy or anything, but just know that I'm super, super appreciative of being able to travel like this. I mean, like, what 16-year-old travels like that? You know what I mean? It's just crazy to me. But yeah, I just want to say that none of this would be possible. My life literally would not be what it is today if it weren't for you guys. You guys are literally my life, my career, my hobby, my passion, everything. You guys are literally everything to me, and doing what I do has brought me so many blessings, so many new people into my life, so many opportunities. Yeah, I just want to thank you guys and just say I love you, because I don't say it enough, you know? Oh, what am I doing right now? I'm setting my face with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. You also just know this is just the beginning, kids. I have so many things planned in my future that I want to do. Really excited for everything. Get ready. There's also going to be something dropping this summer. I'm not going to say what it is yet because it is still in the works, but get excited because it's something that I'm super, super excited about. It's really easy to get distracted doing what you do, like in this industry, but counting my blessings, thankful for everything that it's already brought me, and I'm excited for everything that it's going to bring me in the future. So yeah, just wanted to say that. I never say like sobby, corny shit like that on my channel because because we're not softies over here, okay? So now for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. I just washed all my brushes, you guys. It feels so good. I'm the worst with washing my makeup brushes. You guys have no idea. Like, it's pretty gross. Like, I'm a makeup artist and I literally wash my brushes like once every 3 months. Shh, shh, just keep this between us, okay? Yeah, like literally every 3 months. Horrible, disgusting. I don't even know how often you're supposed to wash them, but I know it's not every 3 months, you know. So now I'm gonna go ahead and bake underneath the bronzer using my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm gonna use the flat edge of the Morphe sponge. This is perfect for doing this. I cannot stress this enough, or hype up this sponge enough. God, this is so hard to do with my hoops. Oh my god, this is why I don't wear hoops, you guys. Okay, now for blush, I'm taking the MAC Peaches blush. All I've been using lately is MAC blushes. MAC blush. I feel like my brushes are still a little wet. They're like not stiff, like they're really flimsy. Does that mean they're still wet or drying or what? Should I not be using them? I feel like it's still wet. I can kind of feel it. Anyways, so now for my highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty highlighters. I never use these just because I don't like, I swear to God, I only use the stuff that I keep like in my makeup bag. Even when I film, I have like a makeup bag just with all my everyday stuff. So I like forget to even go through my makeup drawers and like use new stuff. Anyways, I suck at my job. But yeah, so I never really use like new stuff. But, well, this isn't new, but I never really use like, you get what I'm saying here. I never use different stuff. Anyways, but I haven't used this in a while. So these are the shades Kilowatt. Wait. I'm gonna use the shades. They're actually 2 different compacts. This one is Fire Crystal and this one is Hustler Baby. And I'm gonna mix them together. I haven't really used these actually. I did a first impression on the Fenty products when they first came out. And I think that's literally the only time I've used these. That's fucking crazy, wow. Now while I'm baking, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line off camera. I'm just gonna smoke it out using the same shades that I used in my crease, and I'll be right back. Okay, so lower lash line is done. This is a very dramatic makeup look. Definitely not for the daytime, but you know, I can't tell you what to do. If y'all want to show up to fucking church, the grocery store, wherever the fuck, in this makeup look, go for it, miss bitch. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe off this fake, ow, oh, ooh, fuck. I think the reason it hurts is because I have like new piercings in. I'm not that smart. I also heard you're not supposed to sleep on your cartilage piercing after you get it done, and a lot of people were saying it's like, my friend was with me and she told me hers hurt for like the first month. Mine doesn't hurt anymore. Is that weird? I've only had it for like 3 days and it doesn't hurt anymore. I don't know. For my lips, I'm gonna go in with these little mini Huda Beauty lipsticks. Like, oh, freaking cute. They're so cute. I love when brands come out with like mini versions of stuff. But yeah, this is the Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in the shade Bikini Babe. It's a really, really light nude, which is what I want for a smoky eye. You definitely don't want to go in with like a red with this kind of look, you feel. We're gonna go for a nude. This literally smells like a beach. Oh my god, it literally smells like a freaking beach. That's crazy. I'm in a weird mood today. I'm gonna go in with this MAC lip gloss in the shade Myth, and I love this lip gloss. It's one of my all-time favorites. Okay guys, so that pretty much wraps up today's makeup tutorial. Now on to today's giveaway. I'll be giving away 6 Huda Beauty lipsticks. I'm pretty sure I already have all of these shades. I did just receive these in a PR package, but like I just said, I have all these shades already, so I'm gonna give them away to you guys. Thank you so much. These shades are Trendsetter, Muse, Icon, Bombshell, Girlfriend, and Sugar Mama. It's funny. I feel like I've been everyone's Sugar Mama lately, to be honest with you. Everyone just, you know, you're nice one time and then suddenly it's like Sugar Mama. That's what it is. Anyways, as always, there are only 4 rules to enter. The first rule is to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And the second rule is to give this video a thumbs up down below. Give it a like. And the third rule is to turn on your post notifications. If you guys don't know what that is or where that is, it is the little bell button right next to the subscribe button. And basically, you'll be notified every single time that I upload. Fourth rule is just to comment done. So once you're finished doing the first 3 things, just go ahead and comment done when you're done. I think Tuna has had enough for today. And also go ahead and leave your Instagram handle, Twitter handle, Snapchat, or an email, just anywhere I can contact you guys if you want. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you guys are not already, and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.